Welcome to Young Snacks. Today we're going to show you how we transitioned our bedroom into our greenhouse. First off, we bought two 5-foot by 5-foot grow tents. And put two 4x4 card tables. We have four 60-watt grow lights in each tent. Two heat mats, they're optional. This setup, depending on your cell size, can hold 8 standard trays, 4 across the back, 4 across the front. And if you wanted to add more down below, you could. And we have 2 up here. We use this one on the right side for onions, which we would discuss in an upcoming video. And this one we use for flowers, vegetables, and herbs. If you found this useful, plant the subscribe button and allow us to help you grow your garden.